Welcome to Da Nang. Summer in Da Nang is a paradise with crystal clear blue waters and a variety of exciting beach activities. Whether you're looking to relax on the sandy shores or dive into thrilling water sports, Da Nang has it all. As night falls, Da Nang transforms into a dazzling city of lights. The vibrant colors and lively atmosphere make exploring the city at night just as exciting. The highlight of the evening is undoubtedly the Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2025, DIFF. From May 31st to July 12th, the sky will be illuminated with spectacular fireworks, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the city's liberation with the theme Da Nang, the New Rising Era. This grand event symbolizes Da Nang's aspirations for global recognition, reinforcing its position as a world-class tourism destination. Come and experience the magic of Da Nang this June. It's a journey you won't forget.